Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to continue on with some more examples of applications of systems. So number 6, an exam worth 145 points contains 50 questions. Some of the questions are worth 2 points and some are worth 5 points. How many 2-point questions are on the test and how many 5-point questions are on the test? So we're going to start again with just having our variables set up. So the two things that we want to know is how many 2-point questions and how many 5-point questions. So let's let x be the number of 2-point questions and y be the number of 5-point. All right, now we need to set up our two equations. So the first one, just because it's the easiest, there's 50 total questions, which means x plus y equals 50. All right, then there's 145 points total. So we know that x is worth 2 points, so 2x. Y is worth 5 points, so plus 5y equals the 145. And now we're ready to solve. So 50, 2, 5, 145. If you solve that, you will get 1, 0, 35, 0, 1, 15. And so there's 35 2-point questions and there are 15 5-point questions. All right, number 7. A collection of nickels and quarters is worth $9.75. There are 63 coins in all. Find how many of each there are. So let's let x be the number of nickels and y be the number of quarters. So the first equation I'm going to do is the 63 coins in all. That one's the easy one. It's just going to be x plus y equals 63. Now, the other one is the money. So it doesn't actually give us any numbers, but we know that a nickel is worth 5 cents, so 0.05x. We know that a quarter is worth 25 cents, so plus 0.25y. And that's going to be $9.75. So we set up our matrix 1, 1, 63, 0.05, 0.25, 9.75. Solving that comes out to 1, 0, 30, 0, 1, 33, which means there's 30 nickels and 33 quarters. Number 8. Cats are expensive. JC, formerly Chris, requires new bags of food and litter often. During 1 month, 3 bags of food and 2 bags of litter cost $280. During the next month, 2 bags of food and 4 bags of litter costed $360. Find the cost per bag of food and litter. All right, so we're still looking for 2 different things, but this time, instead of looking for how many of something, we're looking for the cost of these things. All right? So let's let x be the price of food y be the price of litter? All right, so for the first month, 3 bags of food and 2 bags of litter cost $280. So as we read that off, we can replace the food and litter with X and Y because those are the prices that we want to know. So 3 bags of food, X, 2 bags of litter, Y, cost $280. For the second month, it had 2 bags of food and 4 bags of litter, equaling $360. So do the same thing. 2x plus 4y equals $360. All right, then we can set up our matrix. And when you solve it, you end up with 1, 0, 50, 0, 1, 65. And so that means food is $50 and litter is $65. All right, number 9. One week, a computer store sold a total of 36 computers and external hard drives. The revenue from these sales was $27,710. If computers sold for $1,180 per unit and hard drives for $125 per unit, how many of each did the store sell? All right, so again, looking for 2 things. We're going to have X be the number of computers and Y be the number of hard drives. So first things first, there was a total of 36, so X plus Y equals 36. And the revenue was $27,710, and it gives us the prices right here. So the computer was $1,180, computer was X, $125 for the hard drives, and that was Y, equals the $27,710. Put that in our matrix, so 1, 1, 36, 1,180, 125, 27,710. Put that into your calculator and you should get 1022 0114. So there's 22 computers and 14 hard drives. All right, number 10. Greg wants to learn Spanish. Kristen suggests he travel to Mexico, and Eduardo suggests he travel to China. Greg spent 14 months traveling to Mexico and China to learn Spanish. Greg learned 150 new Spanish words per month in Mexico and 130 new Spanish words per month in China. How many months was Greg in each country if he learned a total of 1,920 words? All right, so X and Y. Our X is going to be the number of months in Mexico, y is going to be the number of months in China. All right, so we know that he spent 14 months, so x plus y equals 14. And for the total number of words, we just know that he had 150 per month in Mexico and 130 in China. So 150x plus 130y equals 1,920. So 1,114, 150, 130, 1920. That will be our matrix. Put in your calculator. You'll end up with 1,05019. So 5 months in Mexico and 9 months in China. All right, guys, just 2 more. Just hang in there for 2 more. Almost done. Kristen's house is a zoo. She has 15 pets in total, some dogs, some cats, and some ferrets. The dogs each cost her about $100, the cats $75 each, and the ferrets $15 each. In total, she spent $830 to buy all of her pets. If the combined number of cats and ferrets is twice the number of dogs, how many of each pet does she have? Okay, so we're back to having 3 different variables. So x, y, z. And we're just looking for the number of dogs, the number of cats, and the number of ferrets. All right, easy one first. 15 pets total. So x plus y plus z equals 15. First one down. Second equation is going to be all of the money. So each dog was 100, so 100x. Each cat was 75, 75y. And then 15z for the ferrets equals the total of $830. Remember, we have 3 variables, so we need 3 equations. We're still missing 1. That's where the last one comes in. The combined number of cats and ferrets is twice the number of dogs. All right, so first off, anytime you see that word is, you should be thinking equals. All right, easy way to divide it up. So if we just look at the first part, combined number of cats and ferrets, cats are y, ferrets are z, combined means add them together. Good so far. Is means equals twice the number of dogs. Number of dogs is x, so there we go. Now, remember though, we need it all on the same side. So I'm just going to go ahead and subtract x from both sides. We're going to have negative x plus y plus z equals 0. There is our third equation. So we're going to go and put this into our matrix now. 1, 1, 1, 15, 100, 75, 15, 830, and then negative 1, 1, 1, 0. Put that in your calculator. And, oops, sorry, before we put it in our calculator, one thing I did mess up on, it's supposed to be twice the number of dogs in that last one, so it should have been a 2 with the x, which means there would have been a 2 with those x. So in our final matrix, it's supposed to have a negative 2 right there. Alright, so sorry about that, but should have that 2 with the x for the twice the number of dogs. Now if you put it in your calculator, you will get 100501030017. So that means 5 dogs, 3 cats, and 7 ferrets. Okay, last one. Greg went to Bed Bath & Beyond to buy Christmas gifts for his family this year. In his first trip, he bought 4 candles, 5 wallflowers, and 6 lotions for a total of $123. Greg forgot some people on his list the first time, so he makes a second trip and spent $48 to buy 2 candles, 1 lotion, and 3 wallflowers. The price of a lotion is 2 less than 2 times the price of a wallflower. How much does each item cost? Alright, so in this one we're looking for 3 different things, X, Y, and Z. And it's how much, so we're looking for the price. So we're looking for the price of a candle, the price of a wallflower, and the price of a lotion. All right, so let's look at his first trip. So in his first trip, this is what he got. All right, so it's 4 candles, 4x, 5 wallflowers, so plus 5y, 6 lotions, so 6z, and gave us a total of $123. If we look at his second trip, he spent $48 to buy all of this, so that's 2 candles, 2x, plus 1 lotion, 1y. Sorry, these are out of order this time. 3 wallflowers, so 3y. 1 lotion, lotion was z, so plus 1z was equal to 48. And now we just got to look at the last sentence. So the price of a lotion, that's z, means equals 2 less than 2 times the price of a wallflower. So 2 times the price of a wallflower would be 2y, but then it says 2 less than that, so minus 2. All right, now again, we need our variables on the same side, so we're just going to subtract 2y from both sides, and we're going to end up with negative 2y plus z equals negative 2. So I'm going to put that as our third equation. So we're going to put that into our matrix. 4, 5, 6, 123, 2, 3, 1, 48, and negative 2, 1, negative 2, with a 0 for the x because there are no x's there. All right, put that in your calculator. You're going to end up with 1, 0, 0, 12.5, 0, 1, 0, 5, and 0, 0, 1, 8. So that means our final answer, move to the side a bit, the candle costs $12.50, the wallflower costs $5, and the lotion costs $8. And now we are done. Alright, so I know these are definitely not fun at first. Definitely seems like there's a lot going on. But remember, this part right here is not the new part. The only thing that you really need to learn for this section is how to set up these equations. That's the important part, is can you set them up? Alright. Well, with that, this long video is now over. Bye, guys.